Now that we have dealt with all the blanks in our workbook, we should try to remove all of the duplicate values from our list. To remove duplicates, you first need to highlight the range that you want to remove duplicates from. So I'm going to highlight my entire table using Control A. Once you have all of your data highlighted, go to the Data tab of the ribbon, and then choose this button that says Remove Duplicates. If you don't see the words Remove Duplicates, just look for this icon, which shows rows and an X next to it. When you click on it, it opens this dialog box here. This might be a little confusing, so let's play with it a little to see how it works. If I unselect all and then I choose Item and hit OK, Excel says there's only 15 unique values that remain. That is because when we check for this column, it only checks for duplicacy in the item column. Since our store only sells 15 items, there's only 15 rows left. I'm going to use Control Z to undo. If I once again try to remove duplicates, unselect all, and this time choose item and date, click OK, we see that there's 188 unique values with 6 duplicate values found and removed. Fewer records were removed. Why was this? It's because when you check both item and date, it checks for duplicate rows that have the same item and date value. In other words, it looks for unique item-date pairs and only removes the ones that match both criteria. Okay, I'm going to undo this with Control Z, and now that we have a bit more of an understanding about how Remove Duplicates works, I actually only want to remove the rows that are completely duplicate, meaning every single value needs to be the same to be removed. Okay, let's try it. With the same range highlighted, go to Remove Duplicates, and then don't select or unselect all. With everything selected, this means that Excel will check for duplicacy across all of your columns, and will only remove values if the entire row is duplicate. Hit OK, and now Excel has only found and removed 3 duplicate values, with 191 records left. Now, our list is deduplicated and can be used for further analysis.